Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we dive deep into the world of gadgets and gizmos to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's hotter than my mom's secret chili recipe. On the left, we have the SYMA drone, and on the right, the TiziToy brushless motor drone. Buckle up because this is going to be one wild ride. All right, let's kick things off with the camera quality. SYMA drone comes with a 1080p HD camera. That's right, folks. This drone will make your selfies look sharper than your high school math teacher. With FPV real-time Wi-Fi transmission, you get fast and clear views straight from the sky. Perfect for making your Instagram followers green with envy. Reviewers praise its camera quality and ease of use, making it great for both beginners and advanced users. But wait, TiziToy is not playing around. It's packing a 4K camera with a 120 degrees manually adjustable lens. Yup, you heard that right, 4K. This drone's camera is so good, you might just start a career as a professional aerial photographer. With a 110 degrees wide-angle lens, it's like having a bird's eye view. If the bird had a GoPro strapped to its head. Reviewers are impressed with the stunning 4K camera and smooth performance. Next up, flight control and stability. The SYMA drone boasts advanced optical flow positioning, making it as steady as a yoga master in tree pose. With features like Headless mode and altitude mode, even your grandma can fly this thing like a pro. Reviewers highlight its strong sensors for avoiding obstacles and easy control, making it suitable for children. On the flip side, TiziToy is rocking brushless motors. These bad boys can handle wind like it's just a gentle breeze. With altitude hold and ground detection, this drone hovers like it's on a magic carpet. Plus, it's got an electronic fence function to keep it from flying off to Neverland. You know, just in case you get too carried away. Reviewers note its smooth flight and steady hovering, even in windy conditions. Let's talk about battery life. SYMA drone gives you 40 minutes of flight time with its two powerful batteries. That's enough time to film your entire backyard barbecue and still have juice left to chase your dog around. Reviewers appreciate the decent battery life and the option for longer flying time with an extra battery. TiziToy matches that 40-minute flight time, but also throws in a carrying case, two 1,600 mAh batteries, and extra fan blades. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Perfect for those who love to be prepared for anything. Like a drone apocalypse, reviewers love the convenience of the extra battery and spare parts, making it great for beginners. SYMA drone is super user-friendly with its smart APP control and one-key takeoff/landing. It's got a flight path mode that lets you draw a route on your phone, and the drone will follow it like a well-trained puppy. Ideal for beginners or kids who think they're the next Tony Stark. Reviewers find it easy to use with excellent camera quality and simple instructions. TiziToy, however, is throwing everything and the kitchen sink at you. High-speed rotation, circle fly, 3-speed gears, gesture control, and 360 degrees flip. It's got more tricks than a magician on caffeine. Plus, it comes with a detailed tutorial and 24-hour customer service. So even if you crash it into a tree, help is just a call away. Reviewers appreciate the variety of features and the helpful customer service, although some have noted poor support from the company. Overall, the SYMA drone is praised for its ease of use, solid camera quality, and good obstacle avoidance, making it a great choice for beginners and kids. The TiziToy brushless motor drone, on the other hand, stands out with its impressive 4K camera, smooth performance, and feature-rich experience, although some users have reported issues with customer support. So there you have it, folks. The SYMA drone is like the reliable, easygoing friend who's always there for you, while the Tizzy Toy brushless motor drone is the adventurous buddy who's always pushing you to try new things. Both are priced at $99, so it really comes down to what you're looking for in a drone. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying. Product links are in the description.